How to find and use wireless internet hotspots.
Welcome to VideoJug. I'm Stuart Headlam and I'm going to tell you how to find and use Wi-Fi hotspots. A hotspot is an area where a wireless internet signal can be picked up and used by a laptop computer or any other wireless internet or Wi-Fi capable device. You don't need an existing internet connection to use them, and the speeds are roughly comparable to that of broadband. You'll find hotspots in many public places like cafes, train stations and pubs. Just have a look out for signs like these. Wireless hotspots have a range of 50 to 100 metres, that's 55 to 110 yards, although they're getting bigger all the time. Now, the most common way of using a Wi-Fi hotspot is to use a laptop computer. Most Apple laptops have had wireless networking built in since about 2004. To find out if you've got wireless networking on your Mac, have a look for this airport icon at the top of the screen, or have a look for the word airport in the network section of your system preferences. On a Windows laptop, you can find out if you can use wireless by clicking Start and then going to the control panel. On Vista, you click on Device Manager and then the plus sign next to Network Adapters. In the list that appears, you should see something like wireless or WLAN. Windows XP is similar. On the control panel, double-click System, select the Hardware tab, then Device Manager. Once again, you click on the plus sign next to Network Adapters and you'll see something like wireless or WLAN on the list if you can use wireless. If you don't have a wireless capable computer, you can either buy yourself a hardware card or a USB adapter that will plug into your computer and make it Wi-Fi capable. Now, I'm in a pub and hopefully, like me, your computer should have detected the hotspot you're in automatically, but if it doesn't, you're going to have to configure it for wireless networking manually. And here's how that's done. On a Mac, click on the airport icon at the top of the screen and look for the name of the hotspot you're in. Now, it should be pretty obvious what the name of your hotspot is, but if you've got any doubts at all, ask a member of staff. On a Windows XP laptop, you can find the network by going to the control panel, double-clicking Network Connections, right-click on Wireless Network Connection and select View Available Wireless Networks. On Vista, click Start, then Network, and then click Network and Sharing Center in the command bar. Some Wi-Fi networks are free to use, and there are two kinds of free network. The first are those that are set up deliberately for free public use. The second kind are those that are set up in people's offices and homes but haven't been secured properly. Now, I'll say here and now, it's wrong to use those kinds of networks, but if you are going to use them, make sure that your sharing settings are set to secure, otherwise anyone on that network may be able to browse your folders and files. With wireless networks you have to pay for, what will normally happen is that when you open your web browser, it'll automatically go to the payment page for the hotspot. Enter your card details and any other information it requests, and then you should be able to use that network for the amount of time that you've paid for. If you struggle with any of the particular settings, ask a nearby member of staff and they should be able to help you out. Done.